What's up, vlog? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we got a package from MPC Motorsport. We do have securely acquired something of what you would like to call drop forks and rear lower control arms. So Yumi is about to get dumped. And I came to OG Quack Lee's place of business, Quick Customs. And yeah, suspension god, the wizard himself. So we're gonna do everything today. And a quick update on my setup. He recently got his whole homemade all paint booth kit and laid some paint down, some actual paint on his long block on his K24, and that boy coming out hard.
Fire for that, Mario.
That boy stunting on him. Now let's attend our focus on this right here, playboy. So we're gonna get her jacked up on all fours and then take off all the wheels, and then I'm probably gonna do the front, and then Maya will probably do the rear, or vice versa, or we just do one out of side. I did leave my, what I left home? My tripod. So that kind of blows. So one of us is gonna have to be a tripod today, which kind of stinks, but hey, we're gonna make it work, playboy. So a little before, you know what I mean, before I show you guys the after, this is how low it sits now. Maxed out on function and form type 1 Coilovers, 195/50 tire, 15/7 plus 27 offset, I believe. And yeah, this is it. This is how she looks. Let's see how low we can get it. And like I've been telling you guys, if you don't know, the goal of this Civic is to have a nice lowered slam daily with AC and power steering. That's it, man. That's it. Maybe tune it later down the road, but as for now, slammed is the way to go for me. Because I have the Integra, of course. You know what I mean? I got a car to go fast, and I got a car to go slow. All right, let's unbox this thing. Gotta make sure I don't show my address, you know what I mean? I'll just give him Randy's address so they can show up to Randy's crib.
Me, you bitch.
What's in the box? 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 What's in the... Ooh! Damn, look at that. What is that? Ooh, detail. What's in the box? Drop forks. What's in the box? Drop forks. Alright, so this is the drop forks that we're going to be running with. They sent me another set of drop forks. So one going on the Civic and one going on the Integra. And the drop forks not necessarily lower your car, but also improves shock travel as well, so you don't blow it. Now this is going on the Civic, because those are the drop suspension. And then we got some more goodies. Got a cozy, got some shirts. Oh, got glasses. Oh, got some stickers. Oh, hell yeah. Shout out to my man Spencer over at MPC, man. Oh, that's my dude. Yes, sir. And this right here is going on the Integra. To my surprise, I believe that this is a sway bar / rear brake bar. Race bar?
Titanium tie bar.
Yeah, so that's my tie bar. Okay, dope. Ah, my man Spence. Oh. So that's going on the Integra along with the rear lower control arms that I have. But this right here, this rear drop set of rear lower control arms will be going on Yumi today along with the drop forks. So before I even start the process of installations, Spencer, thank you, man. I very much appreciate it. If you guys like anything MPC, link down below. Not sure if I have a discount code out by the time this video goes out, but if I do, then use code Zosh for any percentage off. Don't know yet, just read the description box in case you guys are interested in any of this. So let's proceed with the install, baby. My camera keeps randomly cutting off, but old fork is off. New fork right here. Look at that. R4, whatever that means. Maybe it's for the right. Nah, you're good. Look at the difference, baby. Fronts are done. Both front right, front left. Got the rear lugs loose. Now, oops. We get the rear portion installed, baby. Yes, sir. So bolt there, and bolt up there, and that's it. So hopefully none of these bolts break off and we are Gucci taters. So let's hope for a good install. I wish I had my tripod to show you guys, but yep, these 3 bolts, one go there, and one go there, and then your little control arm is out. Now let's figure out where I put the new one. Oh, so we're gonna put the new ones in right now. Playboy. Dog, talk about a difference. So that's just from, like, I'd show a before and after. So this is the rear drop lower control arm. Then that's the stock one on that side. And I'll show you guys the difference of a hub to quarter panel clearance. So that's that. And look at this one. Holy crap, you don't even see the camber. Like, it's not even cambered as much. That's awesome. I'm excited. Boy, gonna be slammed. Yee yee! All right, so let's get the other side done. So this side is done, and then look at the camber now. It's crazy, dog. I don't even got camber kits yet, but look at that, bro. You can see it. Oh, I gotta order camber kits ASAP. Jesus. Hell yeah, playboy.
12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well, need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. 550 on the 5 sticky.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh yeah, it's stuck.
Yeah, now it's stuck. God damn.
God damn it. So all the forks are in, and this shit is a lot lower than before. Oh no, you're rubbing on something. Oh, your mud guards. Yeah, and your exhaust. You're gonna have to take off the mud guards. Just scrape off the mud guards.
Maya's gonna go for a ride, and now the Slam Mobile. I just need some 16 by 8s or something. It looks so good, dude. Holy shit. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my God, dude. Dude, the rear looks perfect. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, his drive's terrible, but it looks so good. Look how dumped that is, boy. I am tucking a 15 by 7 on a 195 50 tire. Like, that is amazing. Like, it looks amazing, but it drives like crap. I gotta get way stiffer suspension in order to keep this set up. So, yeah. Or I can just get some fitment. Get some 16 by 8 wheels. Make some fitment, but definitely have to raise this up. But I love it. Like, I love this so much. Spencer, if you're watching this, bro, thank you so much, bro. Like, you blessed me big time, and I love it. Like, it just looks so good. But God, it drives terrible. It drives so terrible. I need an alignment, and I also need to raise it up a little bit because the way it bounces, like, oh, it looks like a typical slammed Honda. I gotta get some stiffer suspension, most definitely, to ride a slam setup. But This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap up this video. I am recording this outro literally 5 days after I filmed it. That's how backed up I am on videos. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know exactly what's going on with the Integra. And it's not bad, it's good. Very, very, very good. But yeah, that's how behind I am. But, right? Outro time. So Spencer, if you're watching this, man, thank you. And I know you're watching this because, I mean, it's your video. So thank you, man. I appreciate it. Shout out to everybody over at MPC. You guys are the dopest, and I appreciate you guys for, you know, hooking you, me, and the Integra, man. I can't wait to see what else we can do more in the future, Playboy. And as far as the discount code to you guys, it is 10/14/2019, 2:25 a.m. And I don't know if I have a discount code yet, but I'm pretty sure when I upload this video, I might have one. I don't know, but just, I don't know, we'll see. I guess if you just go to their website and use code Zosh, hopefully it'll work. I don't know. We gonna see. But yeah, man, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. More Civic content is on the way. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace. Oh, also, I did raise up the car. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.